In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find live traffic reports on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap the layers icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Traffic. Google Maps will display live traffic conditions on the map using color-coded roads. Green means traffic is flowing normally, orange indicates moderate traffic, and red shows heavy congestion. You can zoom in to check traffic in specific areas or along your route. If you're planning a trip, enter your destination and tap Directions. Google Maps will automatically consider current traffic conditions and suggest the fastest route available. While navigating, the app updates traffic information in real time and may recommend alternate routes to help you avoid delays. That's all there is to it. Checking live traffic on Google Maps is a quick and easy way to save time and travel more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.